Alright guys, if you're struggling to find a holster compatible with this light right here, this is the old light, Balder Pro R. If you cannot find a holster that works with that gun, man, I'm talking about I spent countless days scouring the internet trying to find a holster to run with the light right there. So your boy had to go on Amazon and order this. It's the Gunflower Force and Peace G series with light IWB holster. So let's open this thing up and let's see how she fits. Ooh, shake test. Oh, might gotta tighten it up, but it fits. Should I put an optic on here or not? I'm kind of precise with the irons, and I got an optic on my other carry gun, so I might just leave it like this. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section down below.